Sanibonani, you guys. Welcome back to yet another video. Not Utobile indirectly calling Umayeni selfish and questioning Umayeni's whole upbringing, guys. All I'm gonna say, you see Lempi between Umayeni and Umakhumalo, I feel like it's about to get deeper. I feel like it's not going to end anytime soon because people this season have just decided Uguti they are not sticking to the script. And the thing is, guys, Umayeni, one thing I do appreciate about her, she's never gonna say something about you in the diary session and she can't say it to your face. No, she's gonna say it to your face and say it in the diary session because I guess she's straightforward like that. While Umakhumalo on the other side, when she's with Umayeni, she keeps quiet and she just allows Umayeni to say whatever she said. But there on the diary session, she's busy talking. I'm like, are you ready, ma'am, to face Umayeni next season? Because listen, she is gonna come for you for this. Now I saw on Twitter people were like, Utobile, how is she? Last season she called Umayeni delusional. This season she's questioning the way Umayeni was brought up and whatnot. And I was just like, yo, guys. But anyway, Utobile and Umangwabi are speaking about Linda Bayoguti Umayeni not believing that Umusa is sick. And I did say this. I said I see why the other wives would find Umayeni rude. Because I feel like it's one thing for you to be fighting with your husband and say stuff about him in the diary session or when you're with him or when you're with your friends. But when you're with the other wives, just limit it a little bit because you are going to come off as, you know, in another light, because the way these wives interact with Umusa probably is different from you. So I see how Umangwabe and Umakhumalo are seeing or are taking it as if Umayeni is being insensitive, because I did kind of feel like it's insensitive to speak about that in front of the other wives. With your family and with your friends, guys, you can say whatever, they're going to agree with you, but not with the other wives. But anyway, Utopina says people can be selfish just because things are not going their way and then they become insensitive. So I don't know really what did she mean when she said when things are not going their way. So it's kind of giving the vibes ukuthi Umayeni is being insensitive because things are not going her way. So I understand in Mega City not going your way. Kanti Umayeni, which way did she expect things to go? Guys, there seems like there's a lot of indirect talk, especially in yesterday's episode. There's a lot of indirect talk that people did not speak out against Fuba. It's that one of Umayeni is being selfish because things did not go away. Her way. Now I'm questioning, is Umayeni the type of person which when she brings up a suggestion, if it's not done her way, then we are kwata and she doesn't want to cooperate with the other way, other wives. Number two, Umbali mentioned something about someone saying Uguti, you eventually will come to my house or something like that. And then she mentioned something about the sleeping arrangements. So it seems like Umusa, because he was sick, he had to be at Sea Park for a long time. Umangwabe and Umakhumalo went to go and see Umusa at Sea Park. It looks like Umayeni had a problem with visiting Umusa when he was sick while he was at certain wives' house. Guys, there's a lot of things that I'm just like, hey, guys, at this point, as 210 siyohlala Zumbe, because listen, 1 hour of this show, 30 minutes, of this show is not enough. And basinika ngama bits and pieces. So at this point, guys, let's go and all camp KwaMzumbe. Guys, maybe we're going to get the opportunity to see it for ourselves, because at this point, I'm just like, please bring more, because there's something that is not adding up here. But we know which one of the wives are gonna come up. The truth is gonna come up just with the bill. The truth is gonna come up. One of the wives is gonna mention it, and we're gonna know who is the wrong one here. Anyway, let's park it right there. You tell me your thoughts on this. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge, and I'll see you guys in the next one.